Welcome to our channel. Today we how to freeze your Capital One credit card security action step by step clearly. To freeze your Capital One credit card, begin by locating your mobile device or computer. Open the Capital One mobile application or visit the Capital One website. Log into your account using your username and password. On the homepage, find the menu or account settings option. Select the credit card section to view your accounts. Choose the credit card you wish to freeze. Look for the option labeled Freeze Card or Lock Card. Click on that option to proceed. You may be prompted to confirm your identity. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. Once verified, confirm that you want to freeze your card. You should receive a notification confirming that your card is now frozen. Check your account to ensure the freeze is active. Keep in mind that while your card is frozen, you will not be able to make purchases. If you need to unfreeze your card later, simply return to the same settings. Select the option to unfreeze or unlock your card. Again, you may need to verify your identity. Follow the instructions to complete the unfreezing process. Your card should be active again shortly. Freezing your Capital One credit card enhances security and protects your account from unauthorized use. Remember to monitor your account regularly for any suspicious activity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.